nice and lovely. Today I'm gonna show you can make yourself couscous with prawn. Alright, so first thing, medium sized pot on the stove. With some white onion, 2 medium sized white onion. It's going to be a healthy recipe. No oil allowed. You can see there's no oil inside of it. Nice one. We're gonna put in a pack of prawn. Just to make them go and swim. In the meantime, with the red onion. Spring onion. Can of chickpeas. This is going to be amazing couscous with chickpeas and prawn. Garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. No oil allowed inside of this pot. Just some mixed herbs and peppers. Cracked pepper. Teaspoon of fish season. Little bit of mixed herb. Teaspoon of all-purpose season. A lot of people keep saying I need to show the seasons. That's copyright. Can't do that. I mean, I normally use Jamaican season. So if you're familiar with the Jamaican season, that's what I use. Gonna put a fish stock inside of it because it's fish. This is lovely. Just a little bit of paprika, not much. Let us try it to see how it tastes. Amazing. So what you need to do is to boil your kettle with some hot water. And taste that liquid. This is chili, garlic, and salt. Turn off your stove. Let's taste it. A little bit more liquid. Then get your couscous. So what I'm gonna do now is just wrap this and put it aside for it to cook for about 15 minutes. So this is what you need to do. Just wrap it like this. Leave it for it to cook for about 15 minutes, and that's it. Beautiful. So now we're gonna do the couscous. Right? And this is the couscous right here. Simple and easy recipe. So this is finished. Now what you can do is just share it out. Lovely and nice.